How to hide photos in a secret folder on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can hide photos in a secret folder on Android. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. So to hide photos on Android, you can use the built-in locked folder in Google Photos. This is for easy access with your device lock. So first step, you will need to open up your Google Photos app. So search for Google Photos and then open it up. After you're on Google Photos, head over to the Collections option. It can sometimes be known as Library as well. Then search for Utilities. For that, you can scroll down all the way. Then select Locked Folder. Now, due to privacy and security reasons, it's going to show black screen on mine, but for you, you'll find the locked folders and the photos in it. Now, to enable it, you can enable that, and then you'll need to select the items that you want to move there. So find the photos that you want to back up, hide. Then you can select it and tap on the three dots on the top right. And then you can tap to move to locked folder. Then confirm this. And now the photo will be moved to the locked folder. And after that, you will be able to find it in the locked folder option. You can open this up, go through the authentication, and you will find the photos there. And it's that simple, guys. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.